Okay, let's go, guys. So that is how they transport the fabrics, like the clothes, with this bicycle. They use cycles, bicycles. It is very easy way to transport the cloth one place to another place.
Yeah.
And sometimes they use trains also. And guys, washing machine and dryer machine. How they dry? They have a separate washing machine and separate dryer machine. You know, she's carrying more than she's weight. It's more than 50 kilogram, and she's not 50 kilogram also. We are men. I also not carry. I'm more than 50. I'm 60 kilogram. It's for me also. It's not possible. She's a brave woman. She's not a woman. She's old. But she's carrying 60, like more than 50 kilogram. Because it's heavy, guys. It's not lightweight. It's very heavy. So guys, they have a cubes. They have the cube. So how they wash? They jump inside in the cube. They use that soap I have shown you, the black soap. They're gonna use them and they hit on the rock, like tap, 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 and then they're gonna wash it. Okay? Washing machine, dryer machine. Let it done. Be careful, don't get stuck inside. Right.